So I finally got out to the field today to test the Drone Hacks Companion app, and I made a bit of a boo-boo. You see, I completely forgot. I did read the instructions, I did do a video on it, and I still forgot that your phone or your tablet needs to have an active internet connection so the app can check. And of course mine didn't, so the first time I tried to test it, the app just kept crashing out, and then it was only when I realised. So I had to just nip back to my van and get my other phone that had the SIM card in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fly out now to about 5,000 feet, which is when the little signal indicator starts turning orange. All I need to do now is just unplug the phone from the controller, plug it into the bottom port so the Drone Hacks Companion app comes up, tick on Enable FCC mode and let it do its thing. It's now set it to region US. Relaunch the Fly app. And what I'll do is I will just check that it's now in FCC mode, go into transmission, and as you can see the 1 kilometre mark is above the 90 line. Don't worry if you didn't follow that, because I have done the guide to it and I will put a link in the video description below. During the time I was messing with the app, I accidentally hit the return to home button, so the quad actually sort of flew home a little bit. So I'll just fast forward through this bit until we get to the distance I was at previously. So there we go, we're past the 50-40 mark now, and we're up to 52,000, 5,000 feet. I wish it was 52,000. 5,000 feet, and as you can see the signal is still clear. Unfortunately, with the app having the signal bars in white and you've got a white background in the sky, it is difficult to see. I do wish DJI would do something about that. Height obviously I've just raised a little bit, but I'm now out to nearly 6,000 feet. Now remember, this wasn't a full sort of distance until I lose signal completely. This was simply, I know how far to fly before I start to get bad signal, and that's exactly what I've done here. I've flown to the max distance I want to fly to and then applied the FCC patch, and it has worked absolutely perfectly. Now it's time to return home. App tested successfully. I really am happy, because having FCC, I mean, you might not want to fly great distance, but you want to have a better signal if, for instance, you're in an urban area. So yes, if you want to buy the Drone Hacks Companion, I'll leave a link in the description below for it. You will require a light license, but as I said before, all the instructions are on the web page, and also there's a guide which I'll put a link to in the video below. Otherwise, this is me, Flyman Mavic, saying take care, and as always, fly safely.